Welcome to dataSKience. Introduction to attributes, methods, and parameters. Objects in Python have attributes and methods. Panda series is one type of object. Attribute provides some information about the object. They provide a summary and they do not modify the object. Methods do perform some operation, manipulation, or calculation. And unlike methods, attributes does not require parentheses. The following are some of the attributes. And these attributes, since these are attributes, parentheses are not added. We look at each of these attributes in detail. These are examples of methods, and you will also the Python also provides some inbuilt functions. We look at these functions also. Let us have a variable name. We will convert this into a series. Now we will look at the first attribute. So values is going to return the list of values in a series. Now we will look at the attribute index. Index will return the index start and the end position. A D type returns the data type, which is object or string in this case. Now let us look at some methods. As mentioned earlier, methods require parentheses. We have converted this into a series and stored it in the variable name yes. Now is does sums the values, all the values in the series. It's a multiplication of the values in the series. It provides the average of the values in the series. Methods have parameters, and parameters takes values as arguments. Let us look at an example. Now pressing Shift tab brings documentation right below the cell. Each parameter each parameter is separated by a comma. Here, the default parameter is none in these cases. The default parameter is what pandas will use if the user does not specifically give it an argument themselves. Here, index equals none represents that if the index is not specified, then default index starts at 0. When parameters are not specified, arguments will be considered in the order in which it is given. Name will be assigned to data and weekdays to index. We can specify parameter names and then the argument it takes. We can also specify one of the parameters. Now I add one more value to the list. Let's see. As you can see, index can have repetitions.